Hey, welcome to the video, guys. So I got 3 more fans to add to my new computer. So the thing was, I was wondering why my GPU temperatures were so high, something like 89 degrees. And I was like, well, maybe I need to get some fans to help cool the case down. Well, when I started looking inside my case, which I built about a month ago, I realized both of my fans that came with the case are actually both doing intake. So the rear fan is bringing air in, and the front fan is bringing air in. So I was going to see. Come on in, girls.
Dad, what are you doing?
Un momento, por favor.
Mine's home.
Stop, don't touch.
I miss Daughter.
Alright.
It's Coco. It's Coco.
Yeah, it's Coco. Alright, so my 3 fans that I have are going to definitely cool the case down, but I kind of wanted to see what would happen if I just flipped my rear fan to do the exhaust like it should have been in the first place. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to flip the rear fan, see if that changes anything at all. And if it does change it, great, but then I'm still going to put these 3 fans in so we can see. So that's the premise of this video, guys. Let's get started with the video and run some tests.
What time is it?
I just finished the test for my inverse fans, positive and positive. So the results were really surprising. Well, not surprising at all, because my GPU temperatures were really high, 86 degrees. The junction temperatures were high as well, around 110, and my CPU was 69 degrees. And being that this is a GPU intensive test, not a CPU intensive test, these were really high. I only ran MSI Afterburner for 10 minutes, and this is our result after that 10-minute test. Alright, so I'm going to switch the fans around and run the same test again and see if I got different temperatures. Alright, so good news. Got the results back from that second test. It's crazy. Oh, you still talking to me? Like I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted. Much better results on this test. Again, 10 minutes in MSI Afterburner. And our temperatures came down a lot just by switching the fans in their correct orientation. 77 on the GPU temps. My junction scores were still pretty high at 108. And then my CPU score dipped by 5 degrees to 64. If changing our orientation made this much change, I can't wait to see what happens when we switch and add our 3 new Noctua fans to our case. I'm going to make a quick edit and then go straight to benchmarking. Be sure to check the link in the description so you can see which fans I'm using. Alright, so I got the case open. I'm getting ready to add some fans. Let me just do an unboxing for you. What do you get when you open this? Alright, so Noctua's got a new frame design. I think you can interchange the fans out. There's a link in the description if you want to check out and see how much these fans are. So that's kind of what you get. I really thought I ordered the black ones, but it is a black cable. Black cable is going to be really discreet, and I'm going to put these in the front of the case and then the top, and you really won't be able to see them. Got 4 screws to screw it in to your cage, and this is what it kind of looks like. You got a little mustard and ketchup right here, but by the time it reaches around through the back side of your case and back to the motherboard to get power, more than likely it's going to be pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna start putting these in. All right, so I got everything back in the case. My motherboard's lighting up because it's ready to be turned on. It's just not turned on yet. So 3 fans in the front, 2 in the back. All right, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if everything pops on the way it should and not explode. Hey, 3 fans in the front spinning. Oh, the fan up top is spinning. This one back here is not spinning. All right, so I'm gonna pause for a second and see what I did wrong. But all of these are going. Cool. All right, got everything hooked back up. I made a mistake and put one of my fan headers, one of these 2 fan headers right here. My finger. One of these 2 fan headers right here. I made a mistake and hook it to an RGB. I'm gonna make sure that all the fans come on. All right, let's do it. All right, I think I got it. Fan up front, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All fans, there's 5 fans are spinning. All right, guys, I know my cable management is like plug, but I'm gonna close it up the case real quick. I'm gonna run the benchmark and then I'll come back on another day and when I have time to do the cable management. I'm just glad to get all these fans in. All right, let's try it. And I got the results. The results are in. So not surprising to see the results. Our GPU temps went down to 69 degrees. Our junction temperatures went down to 68. And then our biggest drop is our CPU temp going all the way down to 50 degrees once we added our 3 Noctua fans. So right now you can see that I'm running the Shadow of the Tomb Raider benchmark. And this was something that I had problems with running, well, when I first built the system. It would get about halfway through, and then it would just crash. Right now, I'm running it at 1080p, and if I pull up my temperatures from my GPU is at 66 degrees, and at this point, it would already be at 78, 79. And at 80 degrees, every time I ran this, it would just boom, cut out. So this is 1080p again, and right now we're almost halfway done with it, and it's like 66 degrees. So no chance of it, shutting down or black screen. Very, very good for me. The case fans that you saw was only 3. I did link them in the description down below if you want to check out and see how much they are. And get them for yourself. It's actually a pretty good deal, and the performance improvement that you get just from adding a couple case fans and having them blow in the right direction is just phenomenal. So that's it from here. Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Cable management video is on the way.